Hey everyone, quick unboxing while we wait for my AliExpress summer sale watches to arrive. This is the Horizon Nautilus, which I think they changed to Mobilis later. But first, I am wearing the best watch from Pagani Design. It's the Black Bay Tudor chronograph on this really light Perlon strap that I have here. And honestly, I can't wait to make a review about this watch because it's my absolute favorite watch I've ever bought from Pagani. But anyway, this is the Horizon Nautilus. It's actually a pretty nice watch roll. Okay, so let's dive into it, right? I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, a couple quick specs, and then I will do a full review eventually. But look at that 369 dial, right? Love the font on that. It's kind of like Art Deco, I guess Miami Vice. Studio 54 is what I'm thinking of, though, that font. But the dimensions, hear me out. It is a very thick boy. It's 14.2. It's very thick here. And it's 42 millimeters. But oh man, I'm gonna put this on the wrist. I think it's phenomenal. A little side by side right there. Honestly, I think it looks great. I have a 6.75 inch wrist. It is a little thick. There's the serial number that I have. I think I have number 48, which is a nice touch. Definitely a limited run for these. The lume should be pretty spectacular. I'll post a lume shot right now. So I paid just under $350 for it. Has an NH35 movement in there. You also get this really nice, supposed to be a Tech Tough leather strap here. Tech Tough. Supposed to be this really nice thick material, waterproof, and then abrasion resistant and everything. Quick release spring bars. So very nice. So I will be doing a full review. There's the look at the case back. So full review coming soon. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.